tossed when the room goes quiet. Whiskey burns soft like an old goodbye. I hear her voice in the amber light, sweet and low, like a ghost at night. She's gone for good, but she won't let go. Her memory's strong in every flow. Whispers through the whiskey, call my name, soft as her touch, but it don't feel the same. Every sip brings back her eyes, whispers through the whiskey, yeah, where love dies. Ashes fall from a trembling hand. I'm still drunk on what I can't understand. The perfume hangs like a song half played in the silence where my soul's been laid. The jukebox moans a tune she loved, and I swear she's watching from above. I raise my glass, but it's just in vain, to the ghost of love in a glass of pain. Whisper through the whiskey, soft and low, soft and low, telling me things I don't wanna know. Her shadow fades, but her voice remains. Whispers through the whiskey, and my vein. When the bottle's dry, her echo stays, whispers through the whiskey, every day. Rain keeps falling down on Bill tonight, where her laughter once met the city lights. Sidewalk shining like her eyes once did, memories hiding where the shadows hid. She danced through puddles, heels on fire. Now lost his eye. Rain on Beale Street, washing my heart. Each drop's a tear, tear me apart. The sax still cries where her voice would be. Rain on Beale Street remembers me. A bluesman hums through the cafe door. Same old tune we danced before. Neon glows where her hand once lay. Now it flickers slow like love decay. I see her face in the window's gleam. Just another ghost inside my dream. If love's a river, then mine ran dry, left me stranded where the memories lie. Ooh, rain on Beale Street, cold and true, brings back the nights I spent with you. Every drop's a promise that couldn't stay. Rain on Beale Street won't wash away. As the thunder fades and the street grows still, her goodbye echoes down that hill. Rain on Beale Street, and I'm standing still. She's gone, but the room still breathes her name. Like smoke that just won't fade away. Her perfume's ghost on the window pane. Still whisper soft through the sound of rain. Her laughter lingers in the cracks of time. Every silence echoes that old goodbye. Is the way your shadows stay when the light should have let it fade. I see her form in the evening glow, a haunting love I can't let go. Her bed's still warm on on the empty side. The mirror tells me where she used to hide. I try to move on, but I'm still chained to the memory her ghost has framed. Maybe love ain't meant to die, just to live in the corner of your eye. Every step I take, she's one behind. A shadow stitched to my lonely mind is the way a shadow stays. Even when the nights decay, her echo walks beside my pain, through every dream that calls her name. And when the dawn turns night to day, I still see the way her shadow stays. Engine's cold, but my heart still burns. Every mile reminds me of lessons learned. She was sitting close, radio low. Moonlight dance where her eyes would glow. We made promises the night couldn't keep. Now they haunt me when I try to sleep. Backseat of regret, that's where I am, playing the fool, wishing I could understand. The road's still long, but love ran out of gas. Backseat of regret, driving through the past. Ashes from a kiss on the dashboard still. Every scent, every sigh feels real. Time rolls on, but it won't forget. That love still lingers like a cigarette. She said forever, I said let's ride. Now forever's just the echo inside. The headlights fade, but a ghost remains, singing soft through the window rain. Backseat of regret, where dreams collide with the sound of tears I try to hide. I turn the key, but I can't forget that I'm still sitting in the backseat of regret. backseat memories. That's all, no more. One rose on the table, one smoke in my hand. Love burned fast, like we never planned. She left a note by the window pane, said don't wait up, it won't be the same. Her scent still hangs in the midnight air, a ghost of love that ain't quite there. A rose and a cigarette, that's all she left. One for love, one for regret. Every drag pulls me close to pain. A rose and a cigarette, whisper her name. Ashes fall where her tears once lay. Red petals will as the dawn turns gray. I light another, but it don't erase the shape of goodbye on her lovely face. She said forever, but meant tonight. Now I'm talking to shadows and neon light. If love's a fire, it's burned me twice. Sweet as sin, cold as ice. A rose and a cigarette, her final gift. Memories heavy, the smoke won't live. Her perfume fades, but the pain won't set. I'm left with a rose and a cigarette. Just me, the smoke, and the setting sun. Two symbols of love, and both are done. The clock keeps ticking in a lonesome tune. Every echo dances round the room. Her laughter used to fill these walls. Now silence answers every call. A chair still turned where she used to sit. The ghost of love still lives in it. Empty room symphony, playing slow. Every note a memory I can't let go. She's gone, but a melody stays with me in this empty room symphony. Curtains sway like her gentle sigh. Dust drips where dreams went to die. The piano hums though no one plays. Her spirit sings through faded days. I close my eyes, she's back again. Her voice whispers through the rain. But when I wake, it fades away like a song that forgot to stay. Empty room symphony still plays on through the night until the dawn. Every chord reminds my heart to see love's last tune. This symphony. So I sit and listen to the sound of love once lost, still hanging round. Light fades, but her touch remains. In every shadow that whispers her name. She's gone, but her scent's still in the air. Like smoke from love that went nowhere. I close my eyes and there she stands, with lipstick dreams on my trembling hands. A lipstick on my dreams won't fade away. Every night she comes to play. I wake up reaching, but she's not there. Just perfume ghosts in the midnight air. The pillow's warm where a smile used to lie. The echo of a laugh still cuts the sky. I light a smoke, but it burns too slow. Like the love she left long ago. Maybe dreams are just the heart's disguise, a place where goodbye never lies. She paints my sleep in crimson hue, a love that feels too real Whistle cries through the midnight rain. Calling my heart by her name again. Ticket in hand, nowhere to go. Just a one-way ride where the memories flow. Her face still shines through the window pane. Every mile just spells a name. I'm on a train to yesterday, trying to bring back what slipped away. Tracks of time won't let me stay. Still I ride this train to yesterday. Are warm like the love we knew. Old songs play where laughter grew. Each whistle screams the price I pay for the dreams and mistakes I made. The rails don't bend, they just move on, but my heart's still stuck where we belong. If love's a journey, I lost my chasing ghosts in shades of gray. I'm on a train to yesterday, through the smoke where memories stay. Her shadow rides beside my pain. On this endless lonesome train. The whistle fade, the tracks run dry, but a goodbye still rides the sky. Neon rain on the window pane. Same old street, same old pain. She said forever under midnight skies. Now forever's just a word that lies. The bar's still open, the stool's still warm, but love's long gone with the break of dawn. Blue lights and broken promises shine on the tears she left me with. Every glow cuts through my soul. Blue lights, broken promises. shadow lingers on the boulevard, soft as a dream, but hitting hard. Her voice still hums through the radio low, like a song that just won't let go. City whispers things I can't forget. Her perfume hangs like a soft regret. I chase a ghost through the evening haze, lost between the lines and yesterday. Blue lights and broken promises flicker slow through emptiness. She's gone, but her truth still glows in blue lights and the love she froze. As the city fades, I softly say, lead my heart astray. Just the clink of glass and silence in the air. Whiskey knows my name, but you're not there. I told too many lies under neon light. Now I drink alone through another night. Your picture's blurred by tears I hide. Every sip burns like my foolish pride. Whiskey-stained apologies, they're all I have to give. Words soaked in sorrow for the life I failed to live. If I could turn back time, I'd beg you to believe, but all that's left, whiskey-stained apologies. The jukebox hums our favorite tune. It cuts me deep like a silver moon. Every chord reminds me what I lost. Love too cheap came at too high a cost. Maybe someday you'll hear my song and know my heart's been bleeding all along. The bottle's gone, but the pain won't fade. It's a price this lonely soul has paid. Whiskey-stained apologies echoes through my chest. Love's gone cold, but I still confess. Under midnight sky, I finally see you were my truth and my tragedy.